He's the puppet maker. He wants to make the puppets and he start to make the cutting the leather. This is the leather, the material we use, especially the water buffalo. Now he is cutting the puppets with a small size because he want to make the little size with the leather. After he cut the leather like this, and then after he will make the designs. He scratch on the leather with the needle. Okay. Now he's making the design. Use the kind of needle to scratch on the leather, making the design. But before that, I will show you the tools he needs. First, I will show you the nails or carving tools we call tata. It has about 25 different sizes, from the small until the big one. And then we have also the sharpened stone or the green stone, and we need also the hammer to punch it, and then we need the metal to make it stable, to make the leather is not move. And then as you see, now he is making the design. He scratch on the leather. And when he's designing the puppets, it's just like memorize, because he already knows which scratch he need with the pattern in it. Everything's by hand. And we need also the trunk of tree. We cut it, and then it's like a little table, and it make it easier to make the puppets for the carving process.
Kira-kira ini mas? Ya. Mungkin jadi apa? Ya sambung.
So, for example, this is the design of the face, this is the design of the crown, this is the design of the body, and this is completely. And after finish making the design, and then start to punch it, start to carve it with a needle like this. No, not the needle, but with the carving tools.
Bedah ya mas ya?
Kenalan dulu.
Kenalan lagi. Swing.
Now he start to carve the leather. Now he's making the whole inside, I mean the detail of the puppets. So very small detail. And for this process it takes about a week to 2 weeks, but depends the size of the puppet he make. For the small one like this, for the carving, it's needed about 5 days, 4 days, depend also the weather. When the weather is cold, cloudy, it's easier to for the carver to carve the leather, because the leather is becoming the softer and easy to carve. But when the weather is very hot, the leather is become hard. So it's take more time to make the puppets. And also he needs the wax. the wax is make it the sharp or the point slippery, also make it easier to take out from the leather. And this is the result of his work, and then it's become like this, and when its condition is like this, it's ready to paint, to put the colors on it. This is ready to color it. So we have some puppets that are finished for the carving process, and then it's waiting for coloring. So you can see the detail by you can see the detail by this.
Kehilangan mas.
You can see the detail of the puppets, how the carver carved it, how to make the detail inside, and everything is handmade. There's no machine here. Okay, this finished, and then we start for the coloring.